Okay. I'm gonna rewind that.
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video. This is a gaming type of video because this was sent by Xbox and it comes out, I believe, tomorrow. So you get a first look. It's an official Xbox One wheel. Back in the 360 days, I had the Xbox wheel then, and now we have this one made by Hyperkin, or Hyperkin, however you want to pronounce it. It is the S wheel, wireless racing controller, Xbox wireless. It does come with the dock, so it gives you up to 6 hours of gameplay. Simply just press the sync button to get started. Has the classic buttons on the side. You just drive. Come on. Okay. Also, it comes with 2 months of Game Pass. Also, Xbox One and Windows 10. Ooh. Oh my God, this feels good. There's some little paddles here. They're pretty much just, you can use this as a controller. Yeah, you have the buttons there. You have the joysticks there. You have some LSB, RSB buttons, triggers. On the back, you have the paddles, which you can configure, I'm assuming. And the sync buttons at the top. Holy crap, okay, so what else is in the box? I'm assuming it goes like this. This makes the most sense. So it doesn't say it does anything when it's like charging. It just says if it's low, it'll start blinking. So it looks like the game is ready. It had a Forza Horizon 4 update. I'm gonna show you from the point of view of being behind me. I just want you to see how I look using it. So let's check it out. All right, guys, so the light is blinking. I'm gonna go ahead and sync this real quick to the Xbox. Okay, we are synced and ready to go. Okay, so far all the buttons are working just fine. Okay, so I got my trigger at, hold on. Oh my God, it's working. Okay. It's not as tight as I would like it to be. Wait, hold on. I should learn how to brake. I can't drive. Okay. This is cool though. So you have to turn it, you have to compensate a little bit for it. There's something I can probably fine tune. Okay, so I can look behind me with the right pedal. I bet I can customize those though. And this doesn't seem to do anything right here. But that's kind of cool. Okay, so let's keep going. Hey. Yeah, I do notice you have to compensate a little bit more for it. Oh no! Yeah, I have to learn how to compensate for it. Okay. I'm gonna rewind that. Okay, slow down, Lamarr. There we go. Just learning how to compensate. I'm gonna turn here. Okay, you got that drift going. I see you. Because it's a little, like you have to really turn. But maybe that's how a real car is. This is, okay, well, mama. Woo! Ooh, okay, I'm gonna try an older game that's been remastered. One of my favorite games in the world, as far as racing, Burnout Paradise. I want to see if this actually is tuned for this, because this is an older game. Okay, so first of all, I love this song, but while that, I just want to let you know, you can also mount this if you have already a racing. You are too loud. I'm gonna get copyright. If you have a racing system, it has a little screw thing right there, so you can actually mount. My face is in the way. But yeah, but you can mount it to whatever. So I thought that was really cool too. This is LB and this is RB. Okay, so the paddles are that. Oh God, it works. Okay, I'm gonna take you down. Okay, can I just say it feels a little bit better in this game for some reason? Maybe it's just me because I really like this game like more than any other game. But holy crap, it's going fast. Oh my God. Yes. Okay, Stuart, take down. Take that. Oh. Yeah, it is definitely tighter for this game. That is so cool. Okay, wait, can I get that? Can I get this? Can I get it? No. I'm gonna crash. Yep. Okay, I was just testing the boost. It's still A. And like I said, the buttons are in a perfect position. Whoever made this, well, I know who made it, but like, crap. This is amazing. Get that boost going, baby. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Oh, they go that. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now, just because I'm an idiot, you're gonna try Division 2. It's moving. I am. Oh my god. Okay. Wait. How that? I can't even comprehend this. What? Okay. Hold on. So it doesn't really work because. All right. I can move around, but that's about it. So yeah, I'm. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Well, it sort of. I mean, no. The last thing I want to check is the settings to see if I can configure this. You can configure it, but it still looks like an Xbox One controller. But by all respects, this is a controller to Xbox, so it's not configured yet in here because it's not made by Microsoft, I'm assuming. So I can set up a profile for it, but I can't like customize as I thought these particular paddles. But maybe I can because these are LB and RB. So if I just set the buttons to that, then I could do that. All right, guys, so there you go. There's the Xbox S Wheel. This is made by Hyperkin. I believe the price, I'll put the link below, but I'm assuming it's about $119. I know that's a little steep for some people, but for the technology that's in there, and if you're really into racing games, there's probably priced pretty competitively. I know the one I bought for the 360 back in the day was like 150, 200 bucks or something like that, kind of outrageous. So yeah, link below, check it out. I believe it comes out tomorrow. You want to get your pre-order in if you want it. That is the Hyperkin S Wheel. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you appreciated the demo, and I will see you in my next video.